am dividing you all into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Okay, this is team A, this is team B, team C, D and E. Okay, whenever I know Rashmi Miss does not have rewards and stars, but because Miss is new for this class, only for this time I am going to give you, I am going to track your behavior. Okay, whenever I see you all are behaving very nicely, following my instructions, I will give a star to this particular, whichever team is behaving nicely. Okay, all right, great. All with me?
Yes, miss.
All with me?
Yes, miss.
All right, chika chika. All right, amazing. Okay, so let's start the class. Okay, so you know what, when I was in grade 4, no, when I was in 4th standard, one day I forgot to do my homework. My miss had given me a lot of homework and I forgot to do it. And I came to school. When I came to school, on my way, when I was walking with my bag to my school, I was thinking, oh no, what will my miss say today? I am so scared. My miss, what will she do? She will hit me, or she will make me stand outside, or she will not let me go for playtime. What will she do? I was thinking what my miss will do. Okay, so what do you think miss was doing? What was miss doing? Okay, what was miss doing? Thinking what? Thinking what?
Right. Not the homework.
Homework. Okay, thinking what? Miss was thinking what? Yes?
Miss will start.
Exactly. Miss was thinking what?
Miss will what to do me.
Miss was thinking, what will my miss do when I go to class, when I tell her I have not done the homework? Sit down. Thank you. Sit down. So I was thinking, what will my miss do when I tell her I have not done the homework? Exactly. We will do the same thing today. Okay? In our RC class, we all will do something which is known as making predictions. Repeat after me.
Making predictions.
Again, it is not predictions, it is prediction. What is the first sound?
Prediction.
Okay, can we all, this is the goal for our class right now. For this class, this is the goal. Goal means what? After the class ends, all of you will be able to make predictions. Okay? All of you will be able to do it. This is our goal for the class. Are we ready?
Yes, miss.
Are we ready?
Yes,
Okay, so we will read the objective. This is the goal, so we will read it together. Okay? When I say 3, we all will start reading. 1, 2, 3.
We will be able to describe character actions by making predictions.
Okay? And what is making predictions? Making predictions is to think what is going to happen next. Making predictions is to think what is going to happen next. And today in this class we are going to predict what the character will do. Character actions means what? What is the meaning of character? Yes? Character means what? You know it, think, you know it, yes?
A person,
Very good. Very good.
Animal,
Person, animal and who wants to help? Yes?
yes, thing.
Thing. Can you repeat the whole thing? A character is
The character is
any person,
any person,
animal
animal,
or thing in the
the
what?
character.
In the story.
Story.
Sorry. Okay, whatever Rashmi Miss has taught you. Okay, can you repeat that? What he said?
A person, animal, thing, the character.
Amazing. Sit down. Great. So character actions means what? What the character is doing. Okay? If Lalita Miss is the character in a story, what will be the character action right now?
Sleeping.
What will be the character action right now?
Running.
What will be the character action right now?
Cooking.
Very good. So this is character action. What is character action? What is the character?
Doing.
What is the character?
Doing.
That is known as character
Action.
actions. What is the meaning of describe? Describe. Okay, describe means to tell about something in detail. To tell more about something. Describe means to tell more about something. So in this class, we will be able to tell more about. Okay, Chika Chika. Amazing. Quickly. Great, great, great. Beautiful children. Amazing. Okay. So we will be able to describe, tell more about what the character will do next. Okay. By the end of this class, you all will be able to tell in a story what the character is going to do next. Now we'll start. Lalita Miss, it is her turn first. Okay. Nobody will answer any question. It is just my turn. You will not say anything. What you're just going to do is sit smart and keep your ears open. That's all you're doing. Are you going to talk in between? Are you going to tell the answer? Are you going to talk to your partner? What are you going to do? Just listen. Amazing. And how are you listening while lying down? How will you sit? Amazing. Beautiful children. Okay. And what will Miss do? She will read, and one thing Lalita Miss do. So when you are going to describe the character action by making predictions, we will read a part of a story and we will write answers to 2 questions. We'll think about answers to 2 questions. This is how we will do it. Lalita Miss shared what are you going to do, and this is how we are going to do it. Okay? We will think about answers to 2 questions. Can one person from team A read this? Team A. Yes, read this.
What is that?
What is?
Right out.
Now, what is happening right now? Great. Can someone from team C read this? Anybody? Yeah. Read. Read. Now.
What will that character do next?
Okay, so these are the 2 questions we think about when we read a story, so that we are able to make what?
Predictions.
What is the predictions to think about? What will the character do? Can you all do it with me? What will the character do? I don't see everyone doing. What will the character do? Everybody is not doing. I will not go ahead. What will the character do? What will the character do? Amazing. Okay. So I will start reading the story, and it is just Lalita Miss's turn. You will not do anything. You just listen. Okay? Alright. Once upon a time, you all will look here also, okay? You can look here. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer and his wife in a village. A baby boy was born to them. The boy was as small as his father's thumb. They both named him Tom Thumb. Okay, I'm going to read it again. You all will look at it and also imagine. In your head, make a picture. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer and his wife in a village. A baby boy was born to them. The boy was as small as his father's thumb. They both named him Tom Thumb. So Lalita Miss is thinking, okay, there was a village, then there was a farmer and his wife. They both got a baby boy one day, and his size, a baby is this large, no? But this guy, the baby boy that was born to this farmer and the wife, he was just this much, just as big as his thumb. It's written, no, the boy was as small as his father's thumb. He was just this much. So they both decided they will name him Tom Thumb. Okay? Let's go ahead. One day, while Tom's mother was making sambar, Tom, who was playing nearby, slipped into the bowl of hot sambar. Okay? So one day, when Tom's mother was making sambar, Tom, who was playing nearby, slipped into the bowl of hot sambar. So Lalita Miss is thinking, she's seeing that there are 2 new words here. She's going to think about what are these 2 new words. Nearby, I know the word near. So nearby also means around, somewhere close by. Okay? Somewhere close. And the next word is slipped. Who wants to help me to tell me what is the meaning of the word slipped? Slip. Yes, you have to show action. Stand up. Can you show me the action for slip?
Slip.
Slip means what? Yes, show me the action for slip.
Miss, we
Slip.
are walking, miss.
You will slip. Okay, slip means to fall down. Slip means to fall down. Okay, now again back to my turn. Back to my turn. Back to my turn. One second. Huh? So Lalita Miss is thinking. She can imagine that Tom's mother is cooking. She's making sambar, and Tom was playing nearby, and he suddenly slipped inside the bowl of hot sambar. He fell inside the bowl of hot sambar because he was just small as the thumb. Okay. So Lalita Miss is going to go back to these two questions because she knows that the goal of this class is to make predictions, is to tell what the character will do next, is to think about what the character will do next. So Lalita Miss goes back to this question, what is happening right now? She just read in the story that Tom's mother is making sambar and Tom has slipped inside the bowl of sambar. So she will quickly write, Tom has slipped inside. Okay. Are you supposed to talk? Whose turn is it?
Yours.
My turn. Thank you. Thomas is inside the bowl of sambar. Now the next question that Thomas has to think about is, what will the character do next? What will the character do next? So Lalita Miss is thinking, okay, he slipped inside the bowl of hot sambar. What will he do next? I am going to make a prediction. I think Tom will start shouting. Lalita Miss, whose turn? Thank you. So Lalita Miss just made a prediction. She knows that Tom fell inside the bowl of hot sambar. So she just made a prediction that she thinks Tom will start shouting. Tom will start shouting. Okay? Alright, I'll stop here. I want one person to tell me what have we done till now. Any one person. What did we just do? What did Miss just do? Any one person. Any one person. Come on, you all are amazing. Like brainy children. Tell me. Yes?
Prediction.
She just made a prediction. Amazing. What did she just do? She made a prediction. She knew what is happening in the story. This is what is given in the story. Is this given in the story?
Yes.
Is this given right now? So what did Miss do? She was making a
Prediction.
And she was thinking what is going to happen.
Next.
What will the character do?
Next.
Amazing. Okay. Now my turn is over here. We will go to the next section, next part of this class where we both will together try to find the answers. Okay? It is our turn. Whose turn is it?
Our turn.
I can't hear. Whose turn is it?
Our turn.
I'll move on to the next part. We will read this together. Okay? We will read this.
Together.
Can't hear. We'll read this. When I say I can't hear, you don't have to shout. This is a school, no? There are other classes going on. If you shout, they'll get disturbed. So you can say together slowly also. Okay? We will do this. Amazing. Okay. Next, okay? See what happened in the story. Lalita Miss made a prediction that we're going to start.
Shouting.
But what happened? We'll start reading it together. 1, 2, 3, go.
He started moving his hands and legs to save himself.
His mother got really scared when she saw something moving in the sambar. Okay? So what Miss said was, Miss made a prediction that Tom will start shouting. But what really happened in the story? He started moving his hands and legs to save himself. And his mother, when she saw in the sambar, there was something moving in it, she got really scared. And that's all. She got really scared. We stopped her. Who wants to tell me the meaning of this word? Silent hand. You will have to show me in your face. If a lion is coming towards you, how will you feel? Show me on your face. You'll be happy. Show it to the class. How will you feel if a lion is coming towards you? How will you feel? Exactly. Okay. Feeling scared is feeling like you're how do I explain that? Feeling scared. Yeah, you're feeling scared. A lion is coming towards you. Will you be dancing in front of it? No, right? You will feel really scared. Thank you. answers, and I will pick those 3 people. Okay, 3 people to share their answers, and I want to hear from someone new who has not shared in the class yet. One person from here. Okay, you and you. Okay, all right. Stand up. Share with the class. One thing Miss forgot to tell you. Because you're making a prediction, you're thinking. You will start your sentence by saying what?
I think.
You will start your sentence by saying what?
I think.
Okay, amazing. Start.
Mother's spoon taken. I think.
Very good.
Mother's
I think. Other smart positions quickly. Yes.
spoon will
Tom will
start shouting.
Tom. But I asked, what will Tom's mother do? She was scared, no, looking at Sambar, something is moving. What will mother do?
Scared.
Yes, Rita.
I think.
Tell the class. Tell the class.
I think Tom's mother can take it out.
Okay. She think. What's your name?
My name is
Very
Bhavani.
good. Full sentence. Good job. Bhavani thinks Tom's mother will take that thing, take the sambar and throw it out. Okay. Sit down. Yes, you. What do you think? Loudly to the class.
Tom's mother.
Child.
I think Tom's mother taking the glass and the spoon and take outside.
Again, so he also thought similarly that Tom's mother will put the spoon, take that thing that is moving out and throw it outside. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing. Taking it out in a glass. Okay, not throwing it outside, but taking it out in a glass. Thank you for correcting me. Yes, you.
I think Tom's mother one spoon taken cold water. One spoon taken Tom's mother.
Cold water.
Outside taken put cold water.
Okay. Amazing. What is your name?
Mahesh.
Mahesh. Okay. Mahesh. Chika. But is not sitting smart, and when you don't sit smart, when you sit like this, your brain won't function properly. This is your backbone, no? This is connected to your brain. If you sit like this, your brain will function very slowly. Sit smart and your backbone is straight, your brain will function really fast. Okay? Alright. Now, he said that Tom's mother will see that it is Tom. She will take him in a spoon, take to the tap and wash him in cold water. Why? Because he is
Okay.
baby, her own son. So she wants to save him. So she will quickly take him out of the sambar, go and wash him in cold water so that he's fine. Okay? Alright, now we'll see what happens next. This was your prediction. I'm really happy with the way you all are thinking. Pat your back. Everybody do this to yourself. Say good job. Say good job loudly. Good job. Amazing. Now we'll watch the video till here. You all have imagined how the story is looking. We'll quickly watch the video on how it is looking. Okay, ready?
Yes,
Smart position. Okay, watch. And his wife. Wait.
Miss, you must miss this one there, Miss.
Yeah, me.
Like this too, Miss.
Once upon a time, there lived a farmer and his wife in a village. A baby boy was born to them. The boy was as small as his father's thumb. They both named him Tom Thumb. One day, when Tom's mother was making sambar, Tom, who was playing nearby, slipped inside the bowl of hot sambar. He started moving his hands and legs to save himself. His mother got scared. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer and his wife in a village.
Okay, so we've done till then.
A baby
He starts-
boy was born.
He starts moving his hands and legs, and you all made a prediction. Now we will see what really happens in the story. Okay? We will see what really happens in the story. Start position quickly. Amazing. Good job, Cindy. Smart, push your back is like this. Very good, back straight. Okay, good. We'll see what really happens, okay? We will read this together at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. She quickly packed it in a packet and gave it away to a beggar. The beggar went to his house. Okay. I will read this again because I couldn't hear you all properly. Everyone will listen carefully. Okay. She quickly packed it in a packet and gave it away to a beggar. The beggar went to his house. Who is a beggar? Who is a beggar? Who is a beggar? Beggar. Yes, yes. Who is a beggar? Who wants to tell me? Yes? Same Kannada, huh?
Robert. What is it? Yeah. Loudly. Robber.
Robber. Oh, robber is different. Robber is thief. Robber is different. Who steals and runs away. But beggar is someone else. Beggar is someone else. Who wants to try? Sit smart, child. Sit smart. Sit smart. Chica, chica. Chica, chica. When you will answer, sit down. Beggar, beggar, beggar. Beggar.
Answer to me.
Yes. Try. Try. Okay, you need to go ahead, miss. Quickly. Okay, who wants to help her? Yes. Loud. Tell in Kannada. Who is the beggar? Who is begging? Rashmi miss, can you help us? Who is the beggar? Who is the beggar? Yes. So everybody sit down. Thank you for answering. Thank you, Rashmi miss. Sit down. Hands down. 1 second. So, what did we all predict? We all predicted different things. Chica, chica. You all saw it. Everybody gave different answer because we all predicted something. But what really happened in the story? Tom's mother quickly packed the sambar in a packet. She put everything in a packet. What's a packet? Polythene bag. She packed the sambar in a packet and gave it away to a beggar. And the beggar took that packet to his house. Now what has happened in the story till now? The beggar has a packet of sambar which has Tom and he's gone to his house. Okay? Now you all chica. Amazing team A, B, C for listening to Miss and looking at Miss. These two teams, you need to listen to me and look at me. Sit smart. Okay? Now you all again will go back to your teams. You will have 1 minute to think about what is the beggar going to do next? What is the beggar going to do next? What has happened till now and what is the beggar going to do next? Okay, how much time do you have for that? 1 minute. Your time starts now. Okay, chica. How are we discussing? Not like this. Hey, you tell me the answer. No, not like that. Okay, very silent. Go. When I said question. Okay, amazing. Now I want 3 people to share their answers who have not shared till now. Okay, who haven't spoken till now. You decide in your team who has not spoken till now, that person will tell me the answer. Okay? You will tell me the answer? Yes. You, birthday girl, birthday today. You will tell the answer and who you will tell the answer. Okay? Alright. Who wants to start? Anybody out of the 3? I did not choose you, beta. Next time I will choose you. Okay? Yes, you. Tell me the answer. Tell the class the answer. Turn. And how will you start the answer? Very good. Chika chika. One person is going to talk. We will respect him. One second. He is going to talk. We will listen to his answers. Everybody look at him. Team C. Master. Okay? He thinks the beggar goes back home and he drinks the sambar. Okay? How many of you thought that? You can raise your hand. You thought that it's okay. There is no right wrong, child. There is no right wrong. It's okay if you thought that. Okay. Okay. 3 people thought like him. What's your name? Sridhar. 3 people predicted like Sridhar predicted. Okay. Sit down. Next child. Next child. Yes. Birthday girl. Yes.
I think beggar will talk.
She thinks that beggar will open the bag and he will be shocked. He will be shocked. Can you all make that shocked face? He will be shocked. He will be shocked. So how many of you thought that the beggar will be shocked? One person thought. Mahesh thought. Mahesh, no? Mahesh thought. You. Ajay also thought the same thing. She also thought. She also thought. Amazing. 4 people thought like the birthday girl. They predicted like the birthday girl. Chika chika. Why is Miss saying chika chika again? You need to pay attention to this class. No? Sit properly. That's not the way to sit in class. Sit properly. It's okay. Thank you for telling your partner. Okay. Now from here. Yes. You will start the answer by saying what, child? It's his turn. No? Yes. Say. You think? What will the beggar do next, child? Beggar will take out Tom and do what? Who wants to help him? Yes.
I think beggar will do rice, summer and eat.
He will eat. According to him, beggar will mix it in rice and he will eat it. Okay? How many of you thought like that? How many of you predicted that the beggar will mix it with rice and eat it?
No.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sit down. Sit down. Now we will actually see what happened in the story. Okay? We will see what really happened in the story. Did you all just see how everyone was thinking differently? So is there a right or wrong? Is there a wrong answer in this?
No.
You all, whatever you say, it is your, whatever you are thinking. That is why we start by saying what?
I think.
Who is I here?
I.
I means you. Who?
I
I means you yourself. Okay, alright. So now we'll see what really happened in the story, okay? 1, 2, 3, start. When he opened the packet of sambar, he saw Tom inside and was shocked. How many of you said this answer? How many of you said this answer? See? So your prediction is matching with the story. Your prediction is matching with the story. Hands down. Hands down. 3, 2, 1. Chika chika. Great. Amazing. So your prediction was matching with the story. But this does not mean what other people thought is wrong. Okay? That is your prediction. Alright. Now again, we'll go ahead and we'll read and we'll see and we'll again go back to our groups and think what is going to happen next. Yeah? Okay. Alright. I'm going to read this now. You will just listen and look here. Okay? Tom ran away from the beggar's house and told his parents all that had happened, and his mother felt very bad for what she had done and said sorry to him. Okay? Tom ran away from the beggar's house and told his parents all that had happened. Everything that happened with him, no, in the beggar's house, he told his parents, and his mother felt very bad for what she had done and said sorry to him. Last time, there is no next page to this story.